I am Ada, so let's take a look on how to protect the environment as a student.
Why do we need to protect our diversity? A healthy ecosystems clean our water, purify our air, maintain our soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients and provide us with food. They provide raw materials and resources for medicines and other purposes. Let's do the following tips to save our environment. We can conserve the energy surround us by remember to turn off lights, computers, and electric appliances when not in use, and use energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances. Americans toss out 133 billion pounds of food each year. That means about 40% of our food supply goes straight into the trash. If people around the world save just 1/4 of the food they now waste, we could end global hunger. But instead of filling empty plates, that wasted food usually ends up in landfills, where it eventually turns into a destructive greenhouse gas called methane. By buying a reusable water bottle, not only will this help the environment, but it will also help you save money since you are buying a bulk container. Many campuses offer water fountains designed for drinking as well as for refilling reusable water bottles. Make use of these fountains throughout the day when you finish off the initial beverage. Save water in schools and also at home. There are plenty of ways you can save water in your student digs, like taking shorter showers, avoiding small clothes washes, and turn all your taps off when not in use. Avoid littering when in the group and stop others from doing so. There are some ways to stop us and others from littering. First, keep a litter bag in your car and hang on to litter until you find a garbage receptacle. Next, you can NBSP, report litter bugs. Then you have to make sure if you took great notes, ask your teacher to connect you with students in a future class so that you can give them your notes. Ask around to see if any organization has something like this. If you can't find anyone to give the notes to, at the very least, recycle the paper you used. There are several projects or campaigns which NBSP, increasing recycling within halls, eradicating single-use plastics from the university, and improving the habitats within your university grounds. Plant and nurture trees around schools and universities to maintain the biodiversity and green. Grabbing a plastic bag at the register is convenient, sure. But bringing reusable bags from home has a much smaller environmental impact. By the year 2050, greenhouse gas emissions from all those plastic products could exceed 56 gigatons. For a little perspective, that equals the emissions from 615 coal plants. Green Volunteer. You can make an impact on the environment by getting involved with local charities and assisting in the community. There are several ways you can get involved, which include practical help like litter picks or river cleanups, fundraising opportunities like events and administrative roles like PR or legal assistance. Paper is detrimental to the environment. So we can reduce the amount of paper used by bringing a laptop or an e-reader to class so that you can download the reading onto that and read it from there. Or you can print on both sides of the page at the notes. Now let's move to the section 2 of this video, which is management of solid waste and the method used by me to manage the waste.
Assalamualaikum. So, sekarang saya akan menunjukkan bagaimana saya menguruskan sisa-sisa pekerja di rumah. Saya menggunakan kaedah open dumping, iaitu sebenarnya kerana saya bawa semua sisa-sisa pekerja dekat rumah saya untuk ke tong sampah berdekatan. Kemudian lori pemandaran akan bawa semua sampah-sampah tersebut untuk ke tapak pelepasan seterusnya menggunakan kaedah open dumping. Okey, namun begitu saya juga menggunakan kaedah lain untuk menguruskan sisa makanan saja. Jom. So ini adalah lubang yang saya buat sendiri untuk menguruskan sisa-sisa makanan dekat rumah saya. Ini adalah sisa-sisa makanan saya yang terbaru. So sekarang saya akan masukkan ke dalam lubang tersebut. kemudian selepas dah masukkan saya sisa makanan ke dalam lubang tersebut, saya akan kambus sisa makanan tersebut dengan tanah. So, ini adalah keadaan selepas saya mengambus sisa makanan. Hal ini untuk mengelakkan daripada ia berbau dan juga dimakan oleh haiwan-haiwan. Selain itu, sisa-sisa makanan yang saya kambuskan ni akan menjadi baja kompos kepada tumbuhan-tumbuhan yang berada di rumah saya ni. Okey, itu saja.